How to fix Instagram keeps closing on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First go to settings and here go to storage. Just clean some space. You can clean junk files, or you can just go to your gallery and delete some photos and videos. And if that doesn't fix your problem, now let's move to the next step. Go to Play Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. Just see if there's an update here and then update your Instagram. And now restart your phone and try again. And if that also doesn't fix your problem, then now it means that you need to uninstall your Instagram and install it again. And I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.